We are at Delhi's iconic Bharat Mandapam, where the Gift Expo 2025 is turning heads and setting trends. This isn't just a showcase, it's a celebration of creativity and innovation. Hello everyone, I'm Swalbi Vashvi for SME Futures, and we are here to explore, unwrap and be inspired from the fresh launches, homegrown brands and trend-setting ideas that are going to redefine your gifting experiences for the future. 3-day gifting gala transformed into a buzzing wonderland with over 700 exhibitors showcasing a jaw-dropping 30,000 plus products from around 4,000 brands. From chic home decor and cutting-edge gadgets to luxury hampers that scream gourmet goals, this expo had something for everyone and every occasion. The latest trends spoke loudly about eco-conscious packaging, upcycled treasures and zero-waste goodies that are kind to both the receiver and the earth.
Everybody wants handmade. They are really appreciating, and everybody knows that the plastic waste is increasing so much. They want to switch that, and they also want to help the economy.
Pen, diary,
leather, pen. I think everyone is bored about.
They are bored. They don't use it anymore. So that's where we come in. It's very new. It's very innovative. It's very different,
and plus it's very useful.
People are going to use it at their house.
Like if we take one hamper और उसमें अलग-अलग brands के हम लोग product we can put in that और वो एक अच्छा look देता है in small budget. So it is काफी client friendly we can say and pocket friendly as well.
अगर हम देखते हैं हमारे पास स्ट्रेस है, डिप्रेशन है, अब IT इंडस्ट्री है, तो वहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है? फार्मा इंडस्ट्री, हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री है, लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स. अब लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए अगर हम कोई प्रोडक्ट देते हैं तो दैट मीन दैट्स अ वेरी वैल्यूएबल प्रोडक्ट. प्लस गिफ्टिंग में भी एक आपको नयापन दिखेगा और एम्प्लॉय की वेलबींग भी बढ़ेगी.
2025 Spotlight wasn't just sustainability, but also being tech forward. With AI making its mark, traditional gifts got a serious futuristic upgrade. For vendors, AI didn't just make products more dynamic and appealing, it also streamlined creation, cut costs, helped get gifts to consumer faster than ever.
This technology is majorly based on microwave technology, and as diamonds were always mined under the earth and a lot of cost, a lot of digging of the earth was involved. So these machines help to create the same process of millions of years in just a few days.
Earlier there were no QCOM was there. People are buying from their neighborhood. Now they can get it from Zepto, get it from Swiggy, get it from Amazon, even they are getting from Flipkart, minutes also. So new age technologies are, instantly helping the consumer or customer to buy these products.
People are more looking at sustainable and at the same time AI kind. So we are a combination of both together. So our notebooks is more into sustainable because we are saving lot of water, trees, electricity by using our reusable notebook because it can use 100 times. And at the same time, the AI will understand whatever you have written and it will generate the AI kind of functionalities.
While sustainability and AI are clearly shaping the future of gifting, many vendors still face challenges. Whether it's awareness, production hurdles, navigating government schemes, or adapting to a fast-moving market.
People are not aware of these type of diamonds and what they cost and how they look and feel because these are real diamonds. They are not mined. They are just man-made.
For sole proprietorships, they're very limited. They want a private limited or an LLP. That is another paperwork, which is another costly affair for any new company to enter into. So for sole proprietors, it is not easy to get access to any of the government initiatives. So for sure, there it is there, and also the reservation thing for the different categories that also comes into play because we are not from that category. So the preference is to that particular section. Yeah.
उनको कुछ थोड़ी स्कीम्स ऐसी निकालनी है जहाँ मार्केटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म भी लोगों को मिले. हम इंडियन एग्जीबिशन करते हैं बट अभी भी आजकल काफ़ी चीज़ें जो इंपोर्ट हो रही हैं, तो छोटे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को ग्लोबल एग्जीबिशंस में भी मौका दें ताकि वो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स वहाँ पर दिखा सकें और इंडिया का एक्सपोर्ट बिजनेस बढ़ा सकें.
With a staggering 35,000 plus visitor influx, the expo brought together corporate buyers, sourcing heads, retailers, and entrepreneurs from every corner of India. From cutting-edge technology to handcrafted magic, this expo gave us a front row seat to the future of gifting. Whether it was AI-powered surprises or sustainable packaging, this showcase proved that the best gifts come with purpose and a whole lot of wow. For more such videos, stay tuned to SME Futures.